Good morning, students. As in previous video, I started the poem "No Men Are Foreign," in which I told you about universal brotherhood. In this poem, the poet has described about universal brotherhood, and he has told that in this world no men are strange and no countries are foreign. Means the people of all countries are the same, and they may wear different clothes, they may speak different languages, they may follow different religions, but all are same. There is no difference as the natural things, air, water, rain, whatever we are getting, they are also getting. We have got birth and one day we will die, they will also die. We live on this earth, they are also living on this earth. So no difference. No men are strange, no men are foreigner. We are similar to one another. Yesterday I told you that in this poem the poet has described about universal brotherhood, and he has told all the people of the world are similar, all the people of the world are equal, and there is no difference on the basis of dress, on the basis of uniform, on the basis of work, food, etc. I have taught you two stanza. Now see the third stanza. Please open your book all of you. See the third stanza. Remember, they have eyes like ours that wake, or sleep and strength that can be won by love in every land is common life that all can recognize and understand. Remember, they mean the people who are living in other countries. They have eyes like ours. Poet is saying that we should not think that the people living in other country are strange, they are stranger to us, but just we are in the same way they are also. There should be brotherhood among us. He says that remember, they have eyes like ours that wake or sleep. The poet says that just we have eyes, they have also eyes. Just we are sleeping or we are waking, they are also waking and sleeping. There is no difference. And strength that can be won by love. Poet says that strength means power. That the power can be won, can be gained by love, not by hatred. In every land is common life. Poet says that in every country, land means your country. In every country, there is common life of the people, whether the people who are living here or the people who are living abroad. All of us have common life that all can recognize and understand. Poet says that everywhere, here and other country, in other countries also, there is common life of the people, and we can understand and we can recognize it. Now see the next stanza. Let us remember whenever we are told to hate our brothers, it is ourselves that we shall dispossess, betray, condemn. Remember we who take arms against each other. Students, in this stanza it has been told that we should not hate each other. We should not fight each other. We should not take weapons to attack upon others. Now see, let us remember whenever we are told to hate our brothers. The poet is saying that if we are told to hate our brothers, means foreigners who are living in other countries, so then in that condition, it is ourselves that we shall dispossess, deprive of. If we are told to hate the foreigners, the persons who are living abroad, then we are going to deprive of something and betray ourselves. Betray means to deceive. Betray means to deceive. If we are told to hate the people who are living in other countries, then we are going to be deprived of something and we are going to deceive ourselves and we are going to condemn to criticize ourselves. We are going to criticize ourselves. Remember, we who take arms against each other. Arms means weapons. Arms means weapons. The poet says that if we are told to hate our brothers, means to hate among us, to hate the people who are living in other countries, in that case, we are going to deceive ourselves, we are going to deprive of something and we are going to criticize ourselves. If we are going to take arms, we are going to take weapons to fight each other. In this way, students, you have studied in this stanza that we should love everybody, we should not hate anyone. See the last stanza. It is the human earth that we defile. Our hells of fire and dust outrage the innocence of air that is everywhere our own. Remember, no men are foreign and no country is strange. It is the human that we defile. Defile means pollute. Defile means pollute. Poet says that we are going to pollute this earth. It is the human earth that we defile. Our hells of fire by fighting, and dust outrage of innocence. Dust outrage the innocence of, violate the purity of, break the purity of, break the purity of. If we are going to fight each other, we are going to take weapons and fight each other, then we are going to pollute the air of this earth. We are going to disturb the atmosphere. If it is the human earth that we defile, our hells of fire and dust outrage the innocence of, violate the purity of, means break the purity of air that is everywhere our own. Poet says that if we are going to fight each other, if we are going to hate each other, then we are going to pollute this earth and we are going to break the purity of air that is everywhere our own. Remember, no men are foreign and no country is strange. At last again the poet says that no men are strange and no countries are foreign, and there should be universal brotherhood among us. We should not make any difference among the people, whether they are living in our country or they are living abroad. In this way, students, in this poem you have studied that all the people of the world are the same. Their uniform may be different, their language may be different, their food may be different, their religion may be different, but all of us are living on this earth. We are getting the natural objects, natural things like rain, air, water, etc. And one day we will die and we will be buried under the ground. So there is no difference among us, and we are going to hate each other, then we are going to deceive ourselves. And if we are taking weapons in our hands, we are going to pollute the earth and the air that is everywhere. And in this way, students, we should not, the poet indicates that we should not hate each other, we should love each other, and we should respect all the people of the world, whether they are living in our country or they are living in another country. Students, you have to write difficult word meanings and you should revise the poem, and next day I will discuss over the questions. Thank you.